We removed our last dishwasher, the old one. Went in there, got it cleaned up. We got our new one ready to go. If you'll notice, I have a brand new accessory right here on my finger. I forgot to mention that you want to wear gloves when doing any kind of installation with an appliance especially. Gunk can get under there, but also like in a kitchen, glass can break. And when glass breaks, it spreads out everywhere. And I found out the hard way that there was glass underneath that last dishwasher with my hand. So you always want to be prepared and wear gloves. Please don't be as dumb as me and not wear gloves. I should make note too that I'm not a professional. I'm just sharing my expertise and my passion for appliance education. So I'm gonna get my gloves on. We're gonna get this guy installed. This is actually a Z-Line dishwasher. They come panel ready, hence why it looks so beautiful like this, nice and ready to go. Panel ready really means that you can put any kind of panel on there, any kind of door. Panel ready is great for customizing your dishwasher. So you can get wooden panels that match your cabinetry. You're gonna get unfinished wood and stain it to match, or you can paint it to have a nice contrast. But Z-Line offers their own collection of gorgeous designer finishes. So with this one, we actually have a copper door, which is beautiful. I think it's gonna add a nice accent to this kitchen. It's actually not real copper. Looking at their website, it's a 304 grade stainless steel, which is designed to have anti-corrosive material. It's really designed to handle humidity well. And you can actually put this metal outside and it wouldn't rust, be rust resistant, but it's gonna be great for a dishwasher. On the back here, you'll see how easy it is to get this on there. So this actually comes with all the hardware to either install it in the door that comes with it or an extra door if you wanted to have it more customized. So you gotta install these brackets down here, which actually clip in there. And these two keys will slide right in there into place. And then we'll open this dishwasher up, and you can see it very small, but there's actually two holes here that will screw in through here, and I'll show you that to get this door secured. So let's get to that next step.